Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change birthdate on Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change your birthdate on Snapchat can be important for accuracy and privacy reasons. If you accidentally enter the wrong birthdate when setting up your account, or if you want to update it for privacy purposes, being able to change it allows you to ensure that your account information is correct. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so now click profile icon at the top left corner, and then look for settings and tap on it. Well, so in this page, select birth date option. Okay, so now you can set your birth date carefully, because you can only change it a limited number of times. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change birth date on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.